Ever had a customer try to buy late at night only to see their payment fail? Most processors have downtime windows, and that can cost you sales when people shop outside business hours. Here's how you can visualize your payment reliability. In Google Sheets, create a table that logs payment attempts by time and result. It helps you see when transactions succeed or fail, especially overnight. But this doesn't actually fix downtime or ensure payments keep flowing. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their 24/7 processing support keeps your checkout running around the clock, even during high traffic or off-hour periods. And their FAQ and how e-commerce payments are processed securely explains how their system handles global transactions smoothly. I've linked EasyPay Direct below. See how their around-the-clock processing helps you accept every sale, no matter the time zone. Don't miss out on late night or weekend sales. With EasyPay Direct, your store can process payments 24/7 and stay connected to buyers everywhere. Click the link in the description to get started today.